Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share the preparation of soft Jowar Roti, specially good for obese and diabetic people. With gluten-free, high fiber and low glycemic index, this is an ideal meal. You can replace your regular roti with this healthy staple soft roti. Let us start with the recipe. In a saucepan, heat 1 cup of water. Add pink Himalayan salt as per taste. When the water starts boiling, add 1 cup of jowar flour. Jowar is also called as Jonna or Jola in different South Indian languages. Simmer the gas for few seconds and then start stirring till it separates from the sides of the pan. Jowar is a powerhouse of essential vitamins, antioxidants and minerals. It is loaded with good amounts of calcium, copper, zinc, phosphorus, potassium and B vitamins. It aids in digestion, fights with free radicals, improves heart health and boosts immune system. It is done now. Switch off the gas and cover a lid. After 15 to 20 minutes, transfer it to a plate. Now start kneading with your hand so that there should not be any lump. More you knead, softer will be the rotis. You have to make soft non-sticky dough. While preparing jowar roti, you have to remember one has to use fresh atta to prepare roti so that there will not be any cracks or breaks in the rotis. Sometimes old flour gives bitter taste also. Now soft non-sticky dough is ready. Make lemon-sized balls out of it. Now I am dusting little dry flour to that same plate and start patting like roti. With the help of another hand, it gives round shape. We have to pat it very thin to make roti. If you are not comfortable with this method, you can roll out into thin circle with the help of rolling pin like chapati. Preheat iron tawa and place rolled roti on that tawa. Apply a thin coating of water with the help of cotton cloth. When the water evaporates and when you can see small bubbles, flip the roti and cook the other side. Same like wheat roti, you have to flip the roti 2-3 times. And when you see brown spots on the roti, gently press the edges or corners with the spatula or with the dry cotton cloth. Now roti starts puffing. Fully puffed roti. Serve this roti with any side dish of your choice. Now we are making second roti. With this method you can get fully puffed rotis and full double layered soft rotis. And these rotis will be soft even after hours of preparation. Super healthy, gluten free, fiber rich Jowar roti is ready to serve. Serve your family healthy food. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.